Meghalaya Social Welfare Minister Lyngdoh had addressed the media today, expressing the state government's commitment to combat various societal issues with the assistance of traditional leaders, starting with those in Shillong. Also present at the press conference were the Principal Secretary, Social Welfare Department, Sampath Kumar, the Director, Social Welfare Department, D Lyngwa and Secretary, Home Department, Cyril V Diengdoh. The Social Welfare Minister, Lyngdoh, emphasized the government's strategy to combat drug-related problems by engaging village defense councils and empowering them to respond as needed.
The discussions were wide-ranging and covered a lot of areas. We reviewed the progress of the DREAM mission, the various interventions that have taken place, and also we looked at the way forward and how to address the gaps that we noticed in tackling the menace of drugs. So in brief, that was the tone and the content of the discussions. Well, one of the gaps was, for instance, the fact that the various Shillongs felt that they are not adequately empowered, and for some of them to even identify and be involved in the process of taking a person, an accused, and registering cases against them in the police station becomes a very cumbersome task. So that was one area. And we thought that better policing would happen if we are able to involve the communities through the VDPs. That is going to be a major initiative that we are going to revamp and revive the presence of VDPs across the state. Because under the Act, the rules have been framed. The rules governing VDPs, if you go through the rules, the duties and functions of these VDPs include A, to assist the police in the maintenance of law and order, peace and tranquility when needed. Okay, then to carry out patrol and watch in the area allotted for the party, prevent theft, burglaries, dacoities, and other unlawful activities for protection of public lives and properties, and 3, to prevent commission of crime. So drugs come under, certainly under the ambit of the duties and functions of these VDPs, and they will be adequately trained. There are various sections that deal with this particular aspect, and we will be calling very shortly a general meeting involving the various Dorwa Shillongs, beginning with Greater Shillong city.
Additionally, Lyngdoh highlighted the government's pledge to provide financial aid to rehabilitation centers supporting individuals affected by substance abuse.
I think it's a gross misrepresentation of facts to say that government is not supporting. We are supporting as many as 9 de-addiction centers, and also the addiction activities that are taking place. For instance, the latest example I can cite is Meghalaya, where the community came forward to accommodate these users, but all the facilities, including food, the stay, and the counseling that happened, was done entirely with funding of the government through the Social Welfare Department.